What's up, everybody? I got something really awesome to show you all. Today, we're going to be seeing what is inside the iPhone 6 SDRAM. Take a look.
Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest. Said it's hard to open up. You OPN, hit you on BBM. We should be close and friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a car. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
That was pretty awesome, wasn't it? Okay. So what I need from all of you is I need you to like and subscribe, first off. And every time that I upload a video, you're going to know about it because you just hit the bell. And if you have any kind of questions, anything like that, you want me to do any kind of videos specifically, like you want to see inside of a baseband CPU, or you have a question, let me know in the comments, okay? So I really appreciate you guys watching. As you know, this channel did start a while ago, but I've been really busy. I'm trying to get back into it. I can do more awesome videos like this. I got all the tools here. Yeah, let me know, and we'll see you on the next time. Keep microsoldering.